Hi, it's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling. I'm going to go over how to use our remodeling cost estimator to figure out a kitchen remodel and show you the different options available. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to our remodeling cost estimator page, and you will scroll down to the before you start section. You want to grab a tape measure and jot down a few measurements. You want to go into the cabinet area. You want to measure the length of the room times the width of the room where the cabinets are, so you can get a good square footage of the room. Then you want to also scroll down to this bottom portion where you can also see if you're considering maybe painting or refacing your cabinets. If you got some good bones, you can take that option up as well through our a la carte. So let me scroll down. With that said, let's go down into this and check it out. You can pull up the kitchens, and you can see we can do multiple projects if you like, but for this purpose we just want to show kitchens. Now you'll scroll down to this bottom after you pick the kitchen, and you will go customize your rooms, and you will see here right at the top we have kitchen, and that right there, select all that apply. Right below that is full projects, and you can see, you know, small, medium, large, and extra large kitchens, and then painted kitchens and reface kitchens. Those are all full projects. So typical average kitchen, I would say, is probably in the medium range, and you would hit that, and you would come down and hit your get your estimate button right there, and that would give you a ballpark figure for that depending on size and scope. Some of them are going to be a little bigger, some are going to have some moving things around. This price will include labor, materials, management, site prep, trash removal, taxes, everything for the project. We're a full service company. So right below that you will see the financing is available. There is a button there to see our financing options, and right there, right below where it says financing available, it says starting around prices, and it gives you the starting, you know, on average prices. You could be between $425 and $750 a month for this price range. Then if you want to make any adjustments, maybe go back and see what a reface kitchen looks like, you hit go back, and you would hit right there, to undo this, you would hit the full kitchen that you originally hit, that medium kitchen. It would undo it. Now these two right here, the painted and the reface cabinets, those are full kitchens, but those are just a fixed price there because it's an average size. Now if you have a small or a large kitchen, you'll want to go down to this a la carte section, and if you wanted to still see it as a full kitchen, like say this cabinet painting, you would want to count up the doors and the drawer faces of each cabinet and get that number tallied right before you start, so you have that ready to go. In this situation, you would get your estimate, and you would take this little ball, you'd scroll it to the right, and you would count up your doors and drawers, and if you had, say, 48, there you are, and you hit get your estimate, and that'll give you a price for a full painted kitchen, including countertops, backsplash, new sink and faucet, everything. That is just a good ballpark. Of course, we'd have to see your place and verify and see what materials you're looking for and everything else. So that's it for the calculator for this time. And you can play around with it, see different options, and you can also add other rooms. All right, thanks for watching. I will show another video on how to do multiple projects as well. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.